Good morning, everybody. Today's gonna be a fun day. So the other day I got a message from Mountain, these guys, my favorite local dealership. They just got in one of 500 Ducati Superleggera V4s. And they were like, Chase, would you like to do an unboxing video with us? And I was like, yeah, yes, all the yes, absolutely. This might be the rarest motorcycle I have ever seen. We're here, look at that. The parking lot is like empty. They're not even gonna open for another hour. They said that they're gonna move the box to like the middle of the showroom. So we should have the entire dealership to use to film this video. I am super excited, and y'all, this bike costs like $112,000. Probably gonna be the most expensive motorcycle I ever touch. I will touch it, I'll just touch it. Today should be a pretty exciting video. Let's go unbox Ducati Superleggera V4. Is it even open? We're off to a great start. Can't even get in.
I already knew that if you pulled one and it didn't open, you were just gonna stand there.
We're just gonna casually sit the Street Fighter. Just
we're moving all the garbage out of the way here.
I'll take this middle one. I've ridden the other two. Are you guys gonna do it right in the middle of the Ducati section?
Bringing it right in right now. So.
Oh, that's awesome. Guys, look at the box that you get. This is what you get when you spend $112,000 on a motorcycle. Is this like ink or something? That is the most legitness. Oh, this, what? Rip off, guys. Superleggera V4, Ducati, open here. Oh, cool. Nothing. At least have, say, back of Superleggera V. Is this the number? Is this the 229? Hey, it's number 229 of 500. Holy crap. Okay, and unbox it and go. From that side, tell us how it looks, because it's a surprise.
It's like a very fast Ducati. It's gorgeous.
It's crazy because the ones behind you look like crazy fast Ducatis as well.
This looks even better.
Hey, you spend $100,000 on a bike, you get a free ramp.
100 grand, you still gotta buy a fender eliminator.
That's a good point,
Why
Josh.
isn't that carbon?
Because they know you're going to take it off immediately, yeah. All right, so Justin, as a new owner of a Superleggera V4,
Yeah.
how we feeling?
I'm excited, man. It's beautiful. It's everything I expected. Yeah.
And when you gonna go ride it?
After you did.
Okay, so for everybody watching the video, Justin has told me that I will be doing a first ride on this machine before he rides it, which is absolutely terrifying. I think what we're gonna do is I'll ride a V2, I'll ride a V4, and then I'll ride this. And at that point, I'll be prepped and ready. This will be the fastest machine I've ever ridden.
Should be the next level.
Yeah, should be. We will find out in that first ride. Very exciting. Okay, so we'll find out when I ride this and I'll let you guys know. But for now, that's the unboxing of a Ducati Superleggera V4. I don't think there's anything else to show in an unboxing video. Are bikes normally this put together when you get them out of a box?
No.